Hello everybody, welcome back to a new Fortnite APIs tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be covering on how to create your own item shop image. So this is an example for Discord, but this can be used for other things, such as Twitter or Instagram. So first, open your Visual Studio Code with the projects we did. So you already have the item shop image, okay? Item shop command, so you don't have to create a new one. So you're just gonna go in the handlers and you're gonna remove everything in the module exports run because we're gonna modify it already. Because we were using another API which is called ForTool, which generated the image for us. And so now, even though it's great, we're gonna create our own so you can customize it later. So we're gonna use Fortshop. It's a open source project by I'm Tornado. I know there's other projects which can be used for this type of thing, for this idea, but this is the simplest to use. Okay, so as you guys can see, it's in GitHub, it's open source. So let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna return to Visual Studio Code and remove everything in the module exports run, as I told you. There, here. And you're gonna restart your non-mon server so we can see those changes live. So if the bot is still online, it should work, but if you do the /shop command, it will not show anything. This is normal. It just doesn't send a response, even though it detects it. So you're gonna go in shop.js, and as you guys can see, there are two main functions: generate shop and another one that I'll show you guys, get shop items. So you're gonna create a new tutorial. You're gonna install all the dependencies. Okay, so do npm I canvas, axios, moment, colors, even if you already have it. So you're sure they're up to date, and are working. So once that's done, so we're gonna go down to the get shop items part, which is below. And as you guys can see, we're going to use another API called Fortnite API.io that you already use for the item command. So you're going to copy everything in the module exports part without the brackets from the module exports. So here from here to there, can be a bit precise. There, and you're going to just copy it in your file without being in the module exports run. This is very important. So here you need to add async function instead of async, okay? And remove the commas which are unnecessary for us. Up top, you do the same, do async function. Okay, and we're ready to go. So just save your file. Even if you redo the command, it won't show anything yet because we're not making use of it. So now we're gonna need the assets. So here I already have the file for a folder for all my assets for the miniatures, for example. So I'll be using the same. So you go to the GitHub, and as you guys can see, there's a asset folder. So the simplest is you just download the whole project. You open it. Here I'm gonna open it, and you'll copy everything inside assets into the assets folder, so you don't have to redo the pathing and all this part, which is the most annoying part in general. So here, assets. I don't know why there's invisible files, so I'll go grab them again. Kind of weird, but it's okay, I guess. Reopen the zip file with Photoshop. Here, there. Okay, wow, we have ghost files. Perfect. So normally we're all set. As you guys can see, there's the ghost files here. So now that you have the assets, we're all set to continue. So here, we're gonna say we're gonna be using the get job items command, okay? But to do that, we are gonna need to go below and change the API key because Fortnite API depends on the API key. So language will be set. Also, we'll start off with English because it's the simplest and most used, but you can adapt it to your code. And you're gonna go up top, and you're gonna do a const shop items, const shop items equal await get shop items there process.env Fortnite API yo and English, so en because it's a strict parent. Oh, just saying. Okay, so it's not the same. Just let me copy it back there. Okay, that's better. It should be, yeah, this time. This time's good. So this is the API key part. You put en for English, and after you're gonna do const um, const shop await const yeah, I'll just do generate shop for example. So generate shop items, and you put your watermark, which should be whatever you want. So here I'll put my code, creator code, but you can put whatever you want. I suggest not being not that long, and you can restart the bot. So here we're still not doing much, but it's okay because we're making forward. We're getting forward. So you're gonna go to the save part, and you're gonna add the asset path to the fs right. So here the const buff is making your image into a buffer so it can be saved. Okay. Um, so you're gonna do assets slash shop not png. So here we're saving it in the asset files, asset folder. Sorry. So we're gonna go back up, and we're gonna do const shop equal await generate shop because we're also returning the buffer, and that's what we want. We'll also now we're gonna also add a try and catch to avoid having Discord send issues. But before that, we need to defer the reply because the item shop image generation is way longer. So it's best to have a defer reply because you won't send it in the first seconds. And if you don't defer, you will get a Discord API error. Okay, so defer it. Add the try and catch. So then now we're going to be able to manage the errors in case there are some. So here console error dot e. Oops, I added the arrow. Okay, and now we can add the send part. So await interaction edit reply, and here we just need to define the file first. So const attach equal new Discord message attachment. I'll just copy what GitHub said. It's the same here, and add to the bracket files equal array attach. Okay, we should be all set. So let's do the command slash shop, and let's watch the logs. So here, and oops, here I forgot to add the recurrent. That's kind of dumb, but it's just a normal little fix. So you go back to inshops.js and you copy everything here to you just leave the Discord line, okay? Because we're not defining it here. There, save it and redo the command. There, okay. And now you're gonna go back and see your logs. So here, the width part is because we're doing math. It's calculating the size the image is gonna be depending on the sections, okay? So there, let it charge, and we should be good. It's drawn all the items. There. Item shop generation successfully rendered the item shop image. Oh, and as you guys can see here, we got a Discord API error because the file was too big. It was above 8 megaoctet. So we're gonna go to the save part because we can do a little adjustment to, and you're gonna change PNG to JPEG because JPEG files are a bit less heavier than PNG and it should help us out. So you're there, you go above, and you change that up. Okay, let's redo the command now. It's recalculating, drawing all the images and sections. I'll just format it so it's easier. So here, successfully rendered item shop image, and we didn't get any error, so as you guys can see with our logger. And here we got our image. So yes, it's not the most adapted to Discord format, but it should be okay for any kind of use for the beginning. So I'm just gonna open it so you guys can see. So this is entirely customizable, and it works. So you can integrate it in your bots for Instagram, Twitter, those type of stuff. And that's quite it for this part. So if you need any help with adding it to your bot or whatever, don't hesitate to join our Discord. It'll be a pleasure to help out. And don't hesitate if there's any errors. Also, don't hesitate to tell me so I can try and modify it. And thanks for tuning in till the end, and I'll catch you guys for a new tutorial later. Bye bye.